Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with our daily video. We've been a little off on the videos lately because we've just been too busy for me to do it. So we got this Subi. Went to the dealer, had the codes checked, and they told her, well, most likely you need a transmission, don't drive it. So she brought it to us. We did our testing, found that solenoid was testing bad, which what the code was for as well. Told them that we need to get inside and test the solenoid itself rather than just the wiring to the solenoid and the solenoid. So I got it apart, and this is what's going on. We have new valve body with solenoids inside old valve body. Look right here. This is the solenoid that was testing bad. It should be 13 ohms. We're at 12.8. Bad solenoid. 5.5 ohms. So solenoids need to be very close to what their specification are, so they pull the right amount of amps and work properly. And $1,300 fix compared to probably $4,000 or $5,000 transmission. So I'll do another video when we're done, show you that there's no more lights. Thanks.